Rare photos. I ordered a new Roku remote online, and this one came with a blockbuster button. This man just bought a pack of toenail clippers with an expiration date. The candles on my buddy's cake had different colored flames. A squirrel set up shop under the hood of this van. This tinfoil rose was handmade by a wife for her husband on their 10-year tin anniversary. Found this funky-shaped rock in the woods. These chairs in a ski resort restaurant have room for your gloves, helmet, hat, etc. The wind and backlit sunset made his hair appear on fire. The centerfold on this notebook has weird lines. Stairs built in 1829 versus 2005. Back of a hornet's nest they made on a window. Someone planted trees on this hill in the shape of a smiley face. Manhole cover built into the steps. This cool Luna moth I found outside of work in the morning. A man has these rare error coins. Minted mistakes worth a second look. This potato we pulled from our garden looks like a vegetable art piece.